Hello, and welcome to a new trade and travel video. This time we are going to talk about TradingView.com, where we can watch everything that is happening within the global markets. On TradingView, we can join for free or open our account for free just by clicking here. We can access or register through a Google account or a Facebook account. Within the platform, we can choose the language. In this case, we are going to choose English. We can see that here there are asset class in ideas, cryptos, currencies, stocks, indices, futures, bonds, contracts for differences, CDFs. There are many things that we can watch to trade within global markets. If we click here in full feature chart, a tab will be opened where you will see the full chart of everything that is happening in the market. At the top right, we have a watch list with details and news on the CFDs, currency, crypto, or any instrument that we are going to trade. As we can see here, we got fundamental news or events that are happening within the market that we have chosen to analyze. In this case, we are in Euro Dollar or Euro USD. But if we want to see news also of all the instruments that we have within our watch list, we just click on the following instrument. Automatically we see how the line chart changes, and we also already have fundamental news with this instrument, with SAU USD or gold dollar. Guys, all these numbers that we have on the right side of our chart have to do with price. So in this way we can determine the price where our instrument currently is. On TradingView, we also have graphical tools.
Hey, remember, TradingView is an analysis platform.
So we got the type of cursor that we want to use. We have cross cursor, point cursor, arrow, and we also have an eraser. We use the cross cursor to identify key levels within our chart. We also have trend lines, horizontal line, horizontal ray, arrows. Hey, this is something very important you must know. Every and each trader is different and has a different vision on the markets. Every trader uses the tools they need for the technical analysis. In this case, we have marked as favorites with this star what they are: trend line, horizontal line, horizontal ray, and arrows, which is what we basically use at TradendTravel. Once we click on this star, we will add to favorites, and we will see that in this toolbar our trend line is added. We also have Gann and Fibonacci. As you can see, we already have in our toolbar the Fibonacci retracement as favorite. Okay, we are going to see other tools that we have within our TradingView platform. So we got brush, rectangle, ellipse, triangle. So definitely in TradingView.com we have many tools we can use for technical analysis. Among the tools we are looking at right now, TradendTravel's favorite is a rectangle tool that we already have in our toolbar. We got pattern tools that can also help us determine market structures. XABCD, Cipher, ABCD pattern. So basically these tools are very useful for the analysis of those traders who use harmonic patterns that we will talk about soon in all the videos. At TradendTravel we use Elliott's impulse waves. This is what we basically use at TradendTravel. Trend line, horizontal ray, arrow, Fibonacci, rectangle. Rectangle we use to determine zones or to mark certain areas on a box in any type of instrument that we trade. We also have Elliott waves and Elliott ABC corrective wave as our favorite. Obviously, in TradingView we also have other tools that are widely used by traders. Long positions that are for buy, short positions that are for sale. This is super important for you to know. Long is buy, short is sell. This will be explained in the next videos. Professional traders, to have a better view of the trend, always focus on higher time frames, like the monthly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, the 2-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, 15-minute, 5-minute. It all depends on the type of trading the trader performs. Not all traders trade the same way. So let's talk about the kind of charts we got in TradingView. We got a bar chart, we got the Japanese candle chart, we have hollow candles, Heikin Ashi, line chart that we have seen before. We also got Renko, line break, Kagi, point and figure, range. Some of these tools are only available if you become a professional over time and want to use them. But for this you need to pay a subscription according to your needs. Professional traders usually use candlestick charts. We use the line chart in TradendTravel to determine our levels and to have greater clarity of main levels in our technical analysis. And after determining our levels, we go to the candlestick chart that all professional traders use. TradingView also has options, indicators or technical oscillators for strategies within technical analysis. Warning! We should not depend on oscillators and indicators for our technical analysis, and we will talk about that in our next videos. We are going to click on indicators and strategies, and we see that we have some options to choose from. As we can see, our technical indicators are already reflected in our chart. And in the upper left corner, we can hide it or display it again. We can set the data entry, the style as we want to see our technical indicator. We can also remove our technical indicator from our chart. In TradingView.com we also have the option of buy and sell in paper trading. This helps us a lot to test our strategies. That's called back testing. If we click on sell, there is an option where we can see the amount that we want to risk. We have a stop loss, a take profit, and we can simply sell by clicking here. So we have entered a sale and automatically you can see that this order is already active. If we want to close this trade, we can click on close position. This dialog is opened and we can confirm the closure of this position. So that's all for today. We have seen the TradingView.com platform for technical and fundamental analysis with all the tools and options that this platform offers. So don't forget to like this video and never forget to subscribe to this channel to receive more news and educational videos about trading and other developments in the financial markets. See you until next time.